So for today's video, I did come to the Sawgrass outlets. I've been thrifting a lot and a lot of people comment, yo, go to the outlets. So I figured, you know what? Today's Sunday, I was gonna hit the thrifts, but let's just hit the outlets. So we're gonna start at the outlets. First store we'll do is Pacsun and kind of just work our way around the mall. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the thumbs up button. Let's get it. Damn, they have a ton of guesses. This is pretty nice. I wish it was embroidered though. Like, why screen printed? If this was embroidered, it would look so much better. Some Kappa. Oh, matches. Long sleeve versions. And it's funny because like we just saw a bunch of Tommy jeans at Marshall's the other day, and now look, Tommy jeans. I will say this is really nice. So like reverse weave all over print, super thick, nice material. It's like a peach colorway. Same thing, we saw these like very similar at Marshall's for like $15. Here they're $45. What is this, like fake Versace? Come on, Pacsun, you gotta do better than that. Like, it's cool and all, but come on. Blatantly ripping off Versace. And they have like a jersey style, like mesh jersey, all like fake Versace. That's so funny. Fake Versace at Pacsun. You guys saw me thrift this the other day, or not the other day, but at a Goodwill. I think we got it for $5. Doesn't even have the price tag on it, but I'm sure it's probably like 50, 60 bucks. Okay, when I say this is legit the same thing as the Fear of God Pacsun shorts, legit the same thing. Like, I'm wearing the yellow version, it just doesn't say essentials. Guys, it's legit. Maybe it's a little bit lighter, but the back pocket and everything, like, this is a blatant ripoff of the Fear of God ones. That's insane that they even like allowed to do that with the like the drawstrings, literally the same color drawstrings. And these are $30 instead of $70. This is really nice. It's actually embroidered too. You have like the orange colorway. How much is this though? It is $44. Not bad at all. Another screen print one. It's just like, just embroider it. It'd be so much better. Damn, I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty sick. So you have the big screen print C, and then Ampion, so champion, but this is all embroidered. And then these remind me of the Vetmonts collab with Champion. They literally did the same exact like pinstriping, but this is only $60. I think Vetmont's one was like $1,000. A few videos ago, you guys saw me go to TJ Maxx and buy an Invicta, and you guys gave me so much shit in the comments about, oh, I should never bought that, etc. Well, there's an Invicta store here, so I'm kind of curious. I'm gonna go in, see if I can find the same exact watch that I bought at TJ Maxx for $100. Let's see how much they actually charge in an Invicta store. So that one right there is a smaller version of the one that I bought. Literally the same exact one, just a smaller one. They don't have the big one, I don't think. Okay, so that smaller version was $190. So I imagine the big one was probably be about $250. Still not anywhere near close to a $1,200 retail that we saw TJ Maxx, but it's still a lot more expensive than what we paid. Some new Billionaire Boys Clubs. Has like the retro tracks pants with the lime green, pink, and green. And then we have the matching jacket as well, or like windbreaker, I guess you should say. Oh, we found some ice cream BBC. So original price $135, sale for $70 here. And basically has a little running dog. Nothing too special though. If it was like all over print running dog, that'd be so sick. You guys this last time, like the grandma couch, like floral all throughout Billionaire Boys Club. And then you do have the cheetah one. And then as far as the shorts, we have the bathing suit, the matching florals, a few gym shorts. They got pretty good selection, not gonna lie. Just track pants. Yeah, of course. And then you have like the paisley windbreaker. The red ring breaker, which this is actually a new one. Has almost like that Tommy Hilfiger feel. The red, white, and blue. Some mesh jerseys. Oh, look at this yellow one. Matches perfectly. Literally. Well, maybe a little bit off, but close to it. Of course, it's a size 4XL though. And then as far as the t-shirts, we have like the all over sun faded logo. Little astronaut man. This was actually pretty sick, not gonna lie. Damn, this is sick. It has like that old school like feel to it. Only if it was a double print. If it was double print, it would be so much better. Then what else we got? We have a little motocross. Blue. Oh, they have it in pink also. I'm not gonna lie, this is a pretty sick shirt. How much is it though? It is 30 bucks. Original price was 65. All the sick ones are like huge. Like this is a 3XL, and look at the graphic on that. Just craziness. Damn, another fire shirt. We have the Billionaire Boys Club, like vintage stripe colorways. Ooh, a black version too. I just wish it was double printed, otherwise, you know, I would 100% instantly cop if it was double-sided. This is a cool though, it has the little logos all throughout the back. And then I guess to go with the little motocross, they have the motocross mesh jersey. Original price was $130 and they're selling it for 60 bucks. And they also have a yellow colorway with the pink, the green like stripes accents. Let's see, they have a black colorway too, a pink crew neck with a little astronaut, and then a gray hoodie with the big logo. I guess separate from the BBC, they have the ice cream separated. So we have the ice cream little joggers right here for $70. Original price was $140. We have a little ice cream logo with the running dog. And then as well as the ice cream t-shirts, little ice cream call blah 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 blah. Let's see what else they have. This one's pretty cool too. Ice cream blue logo. Nothing on the back though. Let's see what else they got. Ooh, the running dog. Then they do have some Kappa shorts in the red and black colorway, as well as the white and black colorway. I'm not sure if these have pockets. It doesn't seem like they do, which is kind of a downside because, I don't know, you always want pockets on shorts, so kind of a fail. Yeah, none of them have pockets. What a shame. Oh wow, look at this. Public School New York. If you guys know, they used to do a lot of collabs with Jordan. $130 shorts. A little pinstripe in green. Then we also have some t-shirts. Little patch right there. Doesn't say what original price is. Black colorway also. $60 t-shirt though. Tons of Karl Lagerfeld. If you guys know that he recently died. So I wonder if his shirts will go up in value. So every time I come into this Nike outlet, I legit never find anything just because this is like where a lot of Amazon resellers go. But let's quickly walk in and see if there's maybe something sitting on the shelf. Saw these Jordan 3s sitting last time, still sitting. And then let's see what we have in the regular section. It's Air Money, more money.
There's some other ones on the other side.
And then basically as far as the sale wall, again, we never find anything good here, but let's see. So they have a ton of Air Force Ones, like, oh, I guess these are Jordan ones. Jordan Retro 1 high strap. Ton of these. Nothing special though. These were sitting last time. What are these? Air Force Ones. Equality. Air Max 270 Flyknits. These colors are crazy. Some infrared Air Maxes. Oh, maybe not. What are these? IVOs. All over, like the flag international pack. Well, the other day we went to TJ Maxx and Marshalls and we saw a bunch of Tommy Hilfiger. Now let's actually go to the Tommy Hilfiger outlet and see if the same stuff that is sitting there is sitting still here. Big Flag windbreaker, tons of jackets. This is the TH85 that I told you guys about, how it's like the new age sailing gear. Tons of jackets, which is kind of funny because like down here we never buy jackets. It's pretty sick too. Knitted like zip sweater with like the Big Flag. $170 though. Got this Tommy Hilfiger denim track pants, and then behind it we have like the Big Flag with a white going down to the red. $80. These backpacks are pretty sick. Got the yellow all screen printed. The flag like going around the top. Different colors. How much is this? $65. Damn, I'm not gonna lie, this shirt is pretty nice. I might try this on for maybe personal, just because like the all over print has like that retro feel to it. It is $40 though. I could probably get a vintage Tommy Hilfiger shirt for $40, but this thing is pretty crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Little pink denim with the Tommy Hilfiger denim patch. Or sorry, pink denim, pink beanie. Got the big logo all embroidered hoodie. How much is this? This is 100 bucks. Then we have the bomber with the spell out. Nothing on the back. Imagine if a Big Flag was on the back, that'd be crazy. It's this color blocking t-shirt. This is pretty sick. Stripes. Hilfiger denim anorak. Damn, look at these full like sweatsuits with the spell out. Again, screen printed. I wish that was embroidered. If that was embroidered, it'd be so nice. Like the full suits, all different colors. You guys know my favorite color is yellow, but to be honest, I don't think I would actually wear this. Maybe if the Hilfiger was in white, I don't know, but this thing is crazy bright. It's like a neon highlighter yellow. Okay, so I know for a fact that this Tommy Hilfiger shirt was at TJ Maxx, just because I remember the little wraparound. Then again, multiple shirts probably could have this wraparound, but it's kind of crazy that it's just sitting. Then we have a Tommy Hilfiger long sleeve with a little track, like ribbon going down the sleeves. All the colors in the rainbow of the Hilfiger little crew neck with the little Chanel patch right there. Literally all colors. Some more tracksuits, little matching bottoms right there with the top right here. Then you got the big logo t-shirts all throughout also.
Them dope.
Thank you.
What are they?
The brand is called Riders.
They dope.
Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Tons of crew necks. Oh wow, I just saw this though. You guys know I use my side bag all the time. Look at this though, the Tommy Hilfiger side bag. I might have to try this on. How much is this thing? $70, fuck me. So this is obviously the one I use every single day, and then this is the new one. The new one's just too square, like it's too big. It's like, I don't know, to wear every single day, it's just gonna be more comfortable. This one's kind of more flimsy, kind of wraps to my body, unlike this one. It's a really nice bag, but I'm gonna pass on it. Of these? Or no, like strap sandals for men?
I have not seen.
No?
Maybe online if you look.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Damn, look how fire this is. I just asked, obviously you heard, I don't know if they make these for men, but damn, I'd rock these like crazy. You kidding me? Come on. So fire. Alright, we just hit the Tommy, now let's see what Polo has. We start at like the bedding, so they have a bunch of pillows, like the collegiate all embroidered logo, the big flag. Then we do have the bear down, as well as the bear sheets. I wish they would kind of go with like the old school light blue colorway. If you guys know the vintage Polar Ralph Lauren bears, used to be like on like this kind of like a striped navy or striped blue. And then speaking of Polo bears, here we have the crew neck with him wearing the little P-wing. Then the white version, you have a gray version. And then these are some t-shirts. This is pretty sick, the yellow coat. They made these things, like the print, so much bigger than the vintage one too. Forest green, damn, that's a really nice colorway, the forest green. And these are $45 in case anyone's wondering. And we do have the flags, this is $100. These are the same logo that we saw at TJ Maxx and Marshall's. Really nice, like ranch, southern, like western style flannel, I guess. All over collegiate polos, $100. Little knit bear, $200. I will say Tommy kind of won with the outlet. Here they didn't really have much to show. Tommy was like, oh, this is kind of cool, this is kind of cool. Here, not really much. So we're kind of running out of stores. There is a few more left. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys would know I would come to this mall mainly to see the steals and deals that they have at Vans. So that's what we're pulling up to now. Let's see what we can find at Vans. If you guys have watched them for a while, you know that these have literally been sitting for, I feel like almost a year now. Like I bought these when they first hit the outlets. Now they're sitting. Got some checkered, true white checkers. What are these? I've never seen these, like distressed checkers. Look at this, guys. Like, you see that, like skid marks, but it's like made like that. It's kind of crazy. What else we got? Here's some more of like that distressed ones. Some Anaheims. I'm trying to go fast, see what I can find anything good for you guys. These pinks are kind of cool. I'm not sure why they keep doing this, like the half gum with the white bottom. If you're gonna do all gum, do it all gum. Like I feel like it's kind of lame how they do it multicolored. Not gonna lie, these are pretty sick. So we have the Mickey Mouse edition. The yellow sole is obviously yellow, favorite color. But that red, it just makes it look like McDonald's, so gonna pass on those. Now these, I was actually looking at, what's it called? Oh man, I totally forgot the name of that, but these are like the calf checkers. What size are these? I might have to try these on. I'm sure we saw these last time, the cut and paste pack, but the yellow colorway. I believe it's because they're full retail, like it's at a clearance. Same with these, like these collab, the LQQK or whatever. They're $100. It's like, if you're gonna bring them to outlet, then put them at outlet prices. Don't bring them to the outlet and leave them at retail price. It just doesn't make sense. And then this is the calf hair on feet, size 11.5. I'm not sure how I feel about them. I usually never wear Vans, I always wear sandals, so probably just gonna pass on them. Damn, I've never seen these before. They're like multicolored, crazy, like retroed ones. Pretty sick. Damn, I've never seen these Vans before. Look at these. Yellow bottom with the checkers. Damn, if this was an authentic, I would definitely cop it instantly. Those yellow bottoms just so fire. Pink bottom, see, like if it was like this, if this was like this with that, oh man, that's a no-brainer. So you guys know when I come to the outlet, I usually get the Chinese food because the mall Chinese food is usually the best. But when I went to Burger King the other day, they did give me a discount code, like a coupon or whatever. So basically I got chicken tenders, fries, and onion rings for $5. Normally this meal would have been like $10 plus, so I figured, fuck it, let me just use the coupon and get some lunch. So I just made it back from the outlets, and to be honest, there wasn't really anything that really caught my eye. You know, I really wanted to maybe get that Tommy Hilfiger little side bag. It was just too square, and I don't know, it just didn't seem like it was the right fit for me. You know, I keep this bag every single week, or every single day I should say, and it works out perfect because it kind of like snugs the body. I think the problem with the Tommy Hilfiger is that one, it was too square, and the bottom was a little bit harder, so that way it kept the shape. So it was just a little bit too bulky for everyday use. Now it is 5 o'clock. I quickly got to edit yesterday's video, throw up for today for you guys. Make sure you guys check out link down below, emcvlogs.com. I do have 100 items. Every single purchase does really help support these daily videos. You guys keep buying stuff, and I'm going to continue to keep making these daily videos. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another EMC vlog, and don't forget guys, let's get it.